Hi there, students. To profess. Okay, a verb. I'm trying to think of, they're various related words, but they don't have the same meaning. I mean, a professor, professional, but these are only related words. To profess means to state something. Yeah, to declare or admit openly and freely. But we use it really in two ways. Either you let everybody know that this is true. He professes his allegiance or his loyalty to the king. But mostly we use to profess with this a meaning of to claim, to say, but usually something that's maybe not sincere. So he professes not to be interested in money. He says this openly to everybody, but it's probably not true. I don't profess to be an expert in this field. He professes to speak perfect English. Yeah, he professes ignorance about the theft, but I'm sure he's got something to do with it. So to profess, either to say something openly, to declare, or to do the same but falsely. Okay, it can have both meanings. You can profess a belief. Yeah, he openly stood up in front of everybody and declared that he was a Christian. In Roman times, people professed to being Christians and then got executed. But that meaning is probably more. It's probably more formal and less common nowadays. Profess, to say openly, to either affirm or to claim or to pretend. Okay, so I profess to be the best English teacher in internet. Okay, he professes that he is completely innocent. Okay, so he's pretending, he's making a song and dance for everybody to believe it. He professes not to be a drug dealer, but everybody knows he is. The law professes to be fair and equal to everybody, but it's not exactly like that. Okay, so this is claiming something to, like a skill or a feeling, but insincerely or falsely. He professes to be very upset about this, but in fact he's shedding crocodile tears. Okay, to profess. That's the idea. He professed his great satisfaction at this. I think in this case it's probably true. He's declaring openly that he's very satisfied about this. He professed to be very satisfied about it, but he had a rather unhappy look on his face. He professed that he regretted this situation deeply. Yeah, or I don't know, in an airport, we regret to announce that your flight has been delayed by 68 hours. Well, they're professing to regret it, but they probably don't regret it very much. He professed innocence. He claimed, he alleged, he pretended. And this verb to protest is related to this idea of allegedly, supposedly, reportedly, this video I made the other day. Okay, so she professes to be 45, but I think she's more like 55 or 60. He professes to be an expert, but I really don't think he is. Okay, so to profess, a regular verb. He professed that he was an expert. He has professed many things that have not turned out to be true. It comes itself from the Latin stem of profitere, which is pro, and fatere, to confess, to acknowledge. So to pro, I guess forwards, to acknowledge or confess in a forward way. To profess, how formal is this? I think I would probably give it 5.75 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although I think the word to claim might be more commonly used. I think a very good word for semi-formal writings and things like that. Okay, so he professes that he's very good at his job, but I think many people don't agree with him. Okay, so to profess. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To profess.